Good morning, folks. Starting off with a look at the fires burning in Western Australia, some of these are management fires. This probably is an unfairly unflattering Obama pick, but what you should be looking at is the title here. Ally Mortgage is essentially bankrupt. If you're keeping track, government owns 74% and Ally still owes the taxpayers $12 billion in bailout money. This is really just here to make you smile. I know I did, but my jaw rested calmly on the floor for this article. That's all the water on Earth in that bubble. They are going to look for Earths near Jupiter-like planets, just not hot Jupiters. Confusion abatement can be found in the links below. Google is found to have infringed Java copyright but will pay no damages. When the satellite calibration is fixed, it reveals climate shift is just as fast as they had originally feared. The calibration dinged it lower. A school collapsed in Pakistan, killing a few children, and in Afghanistan a flood ripped through a wedding, killing dozens. Watch for the flash here. This active region couldn't leave without saying goodbye. An M flare that ripped a CME that will mostly miss Earth, but look for that splash effect over on the right. The yellow dot is Earth. You can see we might get a glancing blow from that CME. Here's that active region leaving with a simple beta class, blue on one side, red on the other. Unlike 11476, which is almost so complex and jumbled that it's daunting to correlate the magnetics with the visual intensity. It's definitely still dangerous. Watch for more flares. Definitely beta gamma. It could be some delta spots in there as well. But if you look in between that region and the large coronal hole, you're going to see a tiny eruption, a darkening right there. That little CME came without a flare, but it is headed right for Earth, set to give an impact just hours after that first one, around the general time of impact from this large coronal hole. Huge space weather week ahead of us, folks. Big things happening in the sky as well. You should know by now that Jupiter is creeping behind the Sun for a solar conjunction, afterwards moving next to Mercury as the Moon slides by both of them and transits the Sun in a solar eclipse, after which Mercury will conjoin Jupiter, the Moon conjoins Venus, and Mercury conjoins the Sun to finish off the Quake Watch. That's the news, folks. Be safe.